Sanibonani boys and girls, ninjani? Mina ngiyaphila. Ngiyathemba ukuthi nani niyaphila. I trust that you are also well. Welcome to your Isizulu lesson, and today is the 29th of Untulikazi 2020, and we are going to be doing revision on Ukudla, food. Okay, that's what we've been doing um, for the past 2 days revision. So today it's going to be about food and some of the things that we've learned there. So what I'm going to ask you to do is to please take out your line book, and today, just like yesterday, open a blank page where you can draw, so one that doesn't have lines, and then we will continue with our work. All right, so what you're going to have to do once you are in your line book, and make sure that you have your coloring pencils and your roll-ups, because that's what you're going to be needing to use. And then once you are in there, it says here in your line book, draw the following foods. All right, and so these are the following foods. All right, let me just underline them. You're going to draw milk, so whether you draw a glass of milk or like one of those um, bottles of milk or whatever, and then bread, slice of bread or whatever you want to draw, sweets, bacon, whoops, woo, um, apple, that's better, banana, pineapple, and then a cup of tea. So make it nice and big, boys and girls, but also leave a little bit of space in between your drawings, because the next thing that you're going to be doing is you're going to label the food item in English and Isizulu. I'll show you just now what you're going to have to do, but make sure you draw and then leave a little bit of space in between. Let me just show you. So maybe you'll draw a, a glass of milk here, and then leave a little bit of space here, and then you draw the sweets here, and you leave a little bit of space underneath there as well, so that you have space to draw. But I'm going to show you exactly how it's supposed to look. And then the next thing, obviously you have the English words there. So when you draw maybe a cup of milk, then you will write milk. And then what you have to do is to look for the Isizulu word for milk. And that you will find on page 53 and page 54. That is where your Ukudla vocabulary is. Okay, so all the words that are in Isizulu and in English are on page, for food, are on page 53 and 54. All right, so hopefully that makes sense. And then now I'm going to show you exactly how it's supposed to look. Okay, so I have here a cake, ikeke, and I have a watermelon, ikabe. Alright, so as you can see here, I have, let's pretend that I have drawn my cake, my nice beautiful cake, and I've colored it and it looks really nice. And then I have written the words. So you can either write the words on top or at the bottom. It doesn't matter, wherever you have space. So then you will write the English word and you will write the Isizulu word, so that I know that you know what it is in English and in Isizulu. All right. And then the next one is watermelon. All right. So I have drawn, pretend, my watermelon, and then I've written here watermelon in English, and then I've written ikhabe next to it in Isizulu. All right, so you have to do that with all 10, I think it is 10, all 10 of your pictures. You have to draw them and then label them. Make sure that you color them in and they look nice and pretty, just like my pictures over here. And then you will be done, boys and girls. Okay, so once you are done, I hope that you have a lovely holiday. This is the last time you hear from me this term, but it's good because we're going to go on holiday and we're going to get some rest. Sizophumula and bese sibuya ngeterm elandelayo. So we will come back next term and we'll be ready for class in Isizulu again. So have a lovely holiday and I will see you next term. Sizobonana futhi salani kahle, boys and girls.